Hey, hey, what's up, you guys? Yes, it is a new day, and as you can see, we're gonna start off out here at the peanut field, mowing around these ends again. It's pretty foggy out this morning. Quite a bit of dew as well. Guess that'll take it a little longer to dry off in the cornfield. But anyway, we're gonna work on it, you guys. We are going to work on it. We'll get the wheels greased up, you guys. Since I didn't mow a whole lot yesterday, I'm not gonna grease the universals again because there is a such thing as over greasing them. And you blow the seals out on them. You don't want to do that. Yeah. Just spin it round and round. Wait a minute, I know you ain't about to run out of grease. You can't be. I ain't used you that much. Ugh. There we go. Get this side over here. Pump away. Gotta get me some more rubber gloves. Gotta use my normal gloves here. That's a forearm workout. Woo, it is. I feel it pumping that forearm. All right, you guys, that's good for now. I believe I'm gonna start on this side of the field. We started over there yesterday, but I'll work my way back around to where we stopped at. That way I can be mowing the entire time. Yep, gotta get close as we can to this big old power line pole here. Whoop. Something's been digging up some peanuts right there. I don't know if I can fit in between the peanut rows and over here. I know it drops off a little bit. Oh boy. We about to try it though. Right beside where the peanuts have been dug up at. We might make it. It might be wide enough, long enough. Oh man, I don't know, man. I don't want to drop off in nothing over here. Wait. Let me put this thing in 8 speed so I can creep along here. I'm sort of leaning a little bit. Woo! Ooh! And I don't, ooh, wait a minute. Oh, okay, all right. Yeah, I might have to get over in the peanuts a little bit. That outside row look like it's been, oh no, it's not all the way completely. I gotta lift it up because I'm cutting the top side of it. Alright, we made it. It's a little scraggly looking over there because I had to pick up, so I didn't mow over the peanuts. Yeah, I think a bear has been out here. Look at this. Woo, that is, woo, man, that is raunchy out here, you guys. I can't even see the peanut roll. Wait a minute. Okay. There it is. Let me go ahead and get turned around so I can back up in here on this side of the power line. We can go back to B speed now. I'm gonna work on it, you guys. There's a ditch over here to this side of the peanuts, and then of course another field on the other side of that ditch there. So I'm gonna work on it a little bit here. Well, did we not work on it, you guys? And the sun is peeping out now. It almost looks like it's gotten foggier out here. Maybe that's because the sun is shining through the fog and it makes it look worse. But anyway, it's looking better over here, you guys. You can better see the ditch there. I was able to hang over it a good bit. I'll probably be able to get it knocked out pretty well when I get on the other side. But anyway, we're gonna go over here on this side of the ditch to that field. That field there, it looks like the sickle pod are trying to take over. Them light colored weed. Y'all know the other day I said them yellow yellow colored peanuts and they was green, light green. Anyway, those light green colored weeds there are called sickle pods. You gotta go across this little ditch here. But yeah, man, we might almost have to spray something out there to try to knock out some of them sickle pods, because them sickle pods, they can get pretty tough and tall out here. But we're gonna work on this side, you guys. See where we came in at. Let's work on it. Yeah, we worked on that back there, but now we gotta work on this side, you guys. Yep. Pretty raunchy out here. Let's work on it. How about that, you guys? Is it looking more like a peanut field now? I believe so. Even though them sickle pods out there still look a mess in the actual peanut rolls. But we working on it, you guys. Got 2 more sides of this field. Those sides aren't that bad, so I won't even bother you guys with it right now. When we get back out to that field there, we'll check back in, all right? How about that? But yeah, it's looking a lot better. Well, y'all know I always gotta check in before I actually say I'm gonna check in. There's been some bear action on this end of this field here. All right, now we're done with this field, you guys. We got that side over there and that side there. This side here and that side there. That's a bean field there and a peanut field out there. We're gonna head back to the peanut field out there. Gotta work on these lovely ends here now. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I'm gonna talk to you while I'm doing it. Not really. But I ain't gonna speed it up. How about that? We'll get to see it in real time action. And I need to go ahead and, oh! I was just about to say, there was some ruts over here. I was mowing on this ditch with the 7610. I had the duals on it. And I went down in the ditch. I thought I was stuck, but I was able to drive out on the other side of the field there, or the other side of the ditch. Of course, at that point in time, there was nothing growing out here. It was the winter time, and I was mowing around the field with this same bush hog. But that's what we just dropped in. It made me holler in your ear. I'm looking at the beans over there. Looks like the deer have been eating right close to the ditch. Looks like the tops of those beans are, okay. All right, that must be some more ruts. as I was saying, it looks like the tops of the beans have been eaten out, and we're getting close to the end now. Of course, I always go back and hit it again because a lot of them little strands are still sticking up. I don't like that. I like it to be clean. Back up in this corner here. Woo! I don't like to hit the dirt either. Oh, we're gonna get it. That's a little bit of a strain on the lift. Going at an angle. There we go. There we go. Now over there is some dirt. Dirt piled up, so I can't get that. Can somebody help me out? I am lost. I'm in this place. It does not look familiar. I don't know where I am anymore, you guys. Woo! Yes, everybody. We cleaned it up, you guys. We worked on it. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Let's get out of here now. We done with this field, so we're gonna get on out of here, you guys. Well, you guys, since Dan is gonna need me at like 9:30, which is like 15 minutes, instead of me moving to another farm and needing a ride, I'm gonna come back over here and mow this section that I was gonna leave because it would be wasting time. I could be mowing around peanut in. So I'm gonna work on this, and then we gonna head to the cornfield, you guys. Well, that was a quick, sloppy job. I gotta get onto the cornfield. I'm really surprised that Dan is able to pick this early. 9:30 after all that dew and fog this morning. But he said he's getting started up, so I gotta quit. He's getting started up, and I gotta stop and head on over there. We gotta take a little walk to the grain cart there. Feels like I've been walking forever. Man, we'll get there someday. Oh, finally. We've arrived, and yes, I'm gonna clean the windows off for you guys, okay? More work. Okay, the windows look a little bit better. A little bit better, you guys. Man, I'm sweating. I'm sweating after that. Wow. Oh, okay, that's what he was doing. He had to pick to that point there and then go around because that power line is hanging so low. I forgot about that power line there. I mean, the actual line is hanging low, so he's gonna have to come in from the other side and knock out the other section of that. I was wondering what he was doing. I see a few stalks still standing where I guess he couldn't make it meet. But anyway, this farm here is one of the farms that I used to ride the four-wheeler around. Matter of fact, it's the same farm that I had the bush hog around not too long ago, so that the guy can look for his hogs around the edge of the woods. I said hogs, didn't I? I meant to say cows. His cows. Yeah, his cows were on the loose. And we had to cut out a place, well, Dan picked out the place, and then I cut out the place where he could drive his truck to look for those howls, those moo-moos. I know that's corny, I know. Gonna snatch up this first load from them. We just did an unload on the go. I wasn't expecting that in this little field, but I guess it's picking good, so I'm trying to get it done. Are we racing? Looks like I'm winning. Go top this truck off. That'll do it, you guys. That'll do it. Let's see what that looks like, you guys. Yeah, I'm in this truck. Gotta get it unloaded, you guys. Trying to see if we getting lined up right. What do we have here? I do believe that'll do it, you guys. And this trailer, of course, is different from the Freightliner trailer, so there's our tool that we got to get. Go ahead and close this door. All right. Come on out of there. Put that on there. Let's go start it up. Start it up first. Come on out of here. Let's go see what that looks like. I think that'll work. We'll let it run for a little while just to make sure it don't get too built up over there on the other side. Look at all the corn husk and other little particles that's coming from the corn. Hey, that's good feed for animals. They love that stuff. Wait a minute. What's been walking across here? I wouldn't be surprised if it was a raccoon. Might have been the cats. I don't know. Anyway, let's grab up the moisture tester. .0. Go ahead and get this dryer started. Ready, off. Let's make sure it's going in bin 1 over here. Dan wants it in bin 1. That's bin 1. Good deal. See, this is turning. You can see a little bit in that cup. I guess it's got some trash that's stuck on the wall. As you can see, it's leaving out of the wet bin here and it's going up to the dryer. So this auger takes it to the dryer. And of course, this doesn't always run. It only runs whenever it's filling up the dryer, and then it dries a batch and then it stops. What the back looks like going down slowly but surely. I can see Danny off in the distance there has made it back to the field and is unloading the grain cart on the Freightliner over there. I think the dryer's been running long enough now. Let's get everything turned on. Elevator and the spreader, and we'll start it to unload it. We should hear it start moving here already. I hear it already. I open this door, it's gonna blow stuff. It's got an alarm on it too. Ugh. Let's open it up all the way now. Oh, can't do it with one hand. There we go. You want to open it too much. Should be about empty. I believe that's the last of it, you guys. For the back section anyway. Got that locked in. I'll set this right here. And now we got to get backed up. Got to get the front hopper backed up there. So we need to get lined up with this orange line here. Look out the door jamb. Look down. That might be it. We might be off a little bit. Let's go see what that looks like. Okay, I guess we could have went or not backed up so much. Let's pull up a little bit so that we'll be able to get the door all the way open whenever it gets down to the last of it. All right, let's see what that looks like, you guys. Man, all right, we're gonna let that do. We just put up some. Oh man, that's way good. So it don't open up at the very end. Okay, so we good. We are good, you guys. So now we know it don't have to be at the very end of that section of the hopper box. Looks like it's running out. Gotta do it, you guys. Tripping over, tripping over. Hoses. Get out of the way. Close this up. Let's go get some more corn, you guys. We can see around here now that the corn is cut. I see that pigweed over there too that I had to go around, and that he definitely went around. See that power line there? That's why he had to leave those few stumps. Man. Ugh, dusty mess out here. A patch of pigweed right there in the middle of the field, you guys. And then just picked around another patch over there. Man, that stuff is some wicked stuff, you guys. Wicked, wicked, wicked. I was gonna get out and stand beside of it, but there was too much of that stuff blowing over here. But that stuff is, ooh, tall as the corn. Yikes. With millions and millions upon millions of seeds on there. That's why he didn't go through it, because he don't want to spread it. Don't want to spread it any more than what it's already out here. I sort of figured he wanted to do an unload on the go. I should have had you on the headband. My bad. Can't do this and drive at the same time. Just got another unload on the go. And Danny's pulling up with the Freightliner. We're gonna get this unload on the go. Oh, wait a minute, is that pigweed right there? Oh, wait a minute, he ran through it. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Getting it on the go, you guys. I know I gotta turn my head quick with this. He was going pretty slow there in the beginning. I'm like, wait a minute, I'm doing 4.0 miles an hour. And he was at the back of the grain cart. One thing you don't want to do is be changing your speed much, because he'll adjust his speed to how he want to do it. So if I'm trying to hang with his speed, if I see him slowing down and I slow down, then that'll throw everything off. And I'm surprised, well, no, I'm not, because it was a dry year. But usually, this hole over here has water in it. It usually drowns out on a normal rain year, but there seems to be corn over there, you guys. And this back window has gotten dirty already. Maybe if I hit the windshield wiper, it'll clean it off, since we cleaned it off pretty good earlier. Up, he's running out, but up, he's going ahead. All right. In that portion of the field right there is where I ended the video yesterday, and I was saying they're probably not gonna need me because he'll be able to load on the truck from the road. Well, that definitely was wrong, ain't it? We are going at a fast pace today. Danny's been parking down here, wherein he doesn't have to go all the way around the roadside to get to the farm, which is right down the road. He's just parking out here and I'm hauling it right here, which makes it a shorter trip for him to go to the grain bin, and we have to use the grain cart this way. So whatever way is quicker, whatever way is best, that's what we're doing. While he's starting over there, is he going down the dirt road or the field? Anyway, he's not full yet. Let's look at this mess. Oh, pig, wow. I mean, it is really tall, like really tall. You see all the seeds on there? Man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Man, oh man. What a mess, you guys. He said that the pigweeds had got bad in one of our peanut fields around the ends. So whenever I get the mowing around the ends, I'm gonna have to bush hog them down and then wash off the bush hog before we take it anywhere else. That's sort of a nice long ear there. That's a long ear. Okay. He caught me off guard. I guess that's because he got to go down them long rows there. Because it's definitely not showing over the top. I looked up and said, oh, wait a minute, let me get over there. Yeah, these are the long rows that I was talking about. So I guess he has gone down to the end and he's picking the ends of these long rows, and then it goes in the cut there. And there's a little section over there. I guess when we get down here, we'll see how far along he is. I know one thing, this is some tall corn as well. I can't, okay, now I see him. So I can't see him over the corn. Now, wait a minute. Look at some of the tops. See, that's how you know it's tall corn. Some of the tops are broken out there. And we ain't really had no real strong winds. That tall corn is a little dangerous. But at least it's just the tops and not below the actual corn ear. Oh yeah, this is the road that I was talking about he would be able to load from. So that's why I was thinking they probably wouldn't need me today, but it took him a while to get to this road. And wait a minute, those are some tall cuckleberry plants there. Man, I declare these jokers are tall, you guys. What's going on this year? Oh man, got them baby cuckleberries on them. These are the little, well not the little, but whenever they get matured, they got the little sticky things on them like a porcupine, and they like to stick to your pants and everything and prick you. Anyway, let me go get back in the combine, not the combine, the tractor, before he come over here with all that dust. Had to get out of his way. I'm guessing this will be, I don't know if he'll make it back. Yeah, he probably will. I'm about to say he'll have to unload on the go coming back down this way, because I'm heading back down this way now. Boy, I don't know. He might have to pull out. He might have to pull out before he gets to the end and we unload. We'll see. Well, it looks like he made it. And I don't know if we're gonna do an unload on the go or if he wants me to just pick it up. I guess I'll probably, let's see. Yep, I'll just pick it up here. Yeah, being close to the shop there, Danny can get unloaded quick. I ain't even got the other truck filled up yet. The other thing is Dan was picking around the end, so that takes longer for him to get a full hopper. I'm just getting where I can see through the dust, and he's about to be full already. I'm just getting back over here. These long rows, that's what I was talking about. When he's picking around the ends, took him a while to get filled up, but not taking long now. And this is gonna be an unload on the go. I'm gonna have to depart from you guys. Take a sneak peek. Take a sneak, oh, he's calling me. So that was Dan, and he said that Danny is gonna bring the truck over here so that I can take lunch. Like I told you guys, he'll park it alongside the road and Dan will be able to load on them. Yes, it's about lunchtime. Actually, it's earlier than when I normally take it, but take it when it's most convenient. He's bringing that truck over here, and he's gonna ride back with me to the other truck so that both trucks will be over here and he'll be switching between the two, like I said, while I'm taking lunch. This guy looks like he needs a ride. All right, Danny. Alrighty, you guys, so we are back from lunch and he's got all of this picked here, and he wants me to bring the grain cart down here so he can unload on it, and then I'll take it back down there to the freight liner, get this freight liner straightened out where I can load on it. Danny just left with the International. I saw him leaving out. Oh, that's bumpy. Got it unloaded. Good thing I was already planning on coming back down the field instead of the dirt road, since the dirt road is a little bumpy there. I see my brother Robert in his red Beetle there. All right. Just loaded up on me. I'm gonna wait instead of making another trip down there. let him dump on me again. Since that other hopper that I just unloaded, it wasn't a full one. But he's getting them end rows opened up there. Let's get this second load from him. I'm gonna head out of the field through this back way here, you guys. I bet it's growed up. I know it's growed up. I used to come across here with the four-wheeler. Oh my! Wait a minute, you guys. Where is the road? Oh, I'm squeezing my butt cheeks. Whew. Oh my. Okay. Got a little nervous there, you guys. Wait a minute. Looks like somebody's been riding around my trail there, you guys. It should be more grown up than that. Oh. Well, maybe they'll keep it mowed down where it don't grow up so bad. Sorry about that, mail lady. We got the truck in the way. All right. I just got unloaded and Danny is back already. I told Danny he's on the ball today, so he gonna park that one and then bring the Freightliner down here because it still needs some more on it. Well, let me get back down here to Dan. Oh, getting back just in the nick of time, you guys. In the nick of time. We did a little bit of unload on the go there, as you can see. So he wants me to wait. I guess he's gonna try and get the rest of that on there before I go and dump. All right, you guys, so that's gonna do it for this farm here. He's gonna clean off the head there before he goes down the road so it don't blow a bunch of trash in the road. Got the Freightliner here and the International over there. Gonna put the rest of it on this truck. Then he dusted me out. And we got these two fields again on the right and the left. Look at the flowers growing on the ditch. I'm gonna make some crop circles here to mash down these stalks like Danny was doing the other day. Crop circles. I think we matted that down pretty good. Let's get this second load. All right, Frank. Oh yeah, I forgot. We named him Frank. Let's go unload this. Oh, Danny boy's waiting on me. Got him loaded up, and it's 4:25, and I'm just eating. So I had to turn around because I met Danny on the way out. He needs a ride to the International truck, so we got to give him another ride. It's looking different through here already. Ooh-wee, Danny's cutting it close out there. But I was looking down these 8 rows right here alongside the woods. I remember the day when I was ripping those 8 rows. I got down about to the end and started pulling up a bunch of stumps, and then there was a limb hanging out in the field. So far I couldn't reach it. I had to get up on the tire out there and jump and cut it with the machete. I think I called that video the Flying Ninja or something. And then I remember I made a pass about right there. I drug a stump, ripping all the way from the other end, almost down to this end, and there was a long trench. I was like, no, I'm not covering that dirt up. Oh no. Here comes Danny with that load, heading to the shop. He said the wet bin is about to be full, so I don't know if he's gonna be able to get it unloaded. All right. Y'all know I be saying all right like people can hear me. That's just my southern hospitality. And you guys, I believe that's gonna do it for this farm. He's got 8 rows left there. And I'm going to turn around and be headed out, so whenever he gets done, he can just pull up to me and unload. And man, we got 1 whole farm left, plus that which I had to spray that had morning glories on it, and we'll be done. But if the wet bin is full, man, we might not be able to finish. No, we gonna get it all today, man. It's what? 5:12, we gotta get it. We gotta finish, you guys. We're too close. That next field we gotta go to is probably about seven acres. We gotta finish, you guys. And he's going, you guys, on to the next farm. You guys, so we are in the next field, the next farm, and this is the field that's behind my house. And you know what? Since I've not been riding the four-wheeler around the field, I actually forgot about the beaver dams that's back here. Well, that were back here. The one I dug out with the backhoe and the other ones that I tore out. We haven't checked those out in months and months and months. That is crazy. I forgot all about those beaver dams. So I guess if he gets it picked out to where I can drive over there, I might drive over there and go take a peep at the one that we dug out with the backhoe right quick. But wow, I forgot. That's crazy. I forgot all about those beaver dams. You guys, while he's picking, yeah, look at them embankments where we used to throw dirt up. I said, you know what? I'm just gonna go around the field while he's picking, because he's struggling with morning glories out here. And I'm gonna go around here and check out these beaver dams. Man, look at them morning glories. Yikes, that's not cool. Anyway, I'm gonna drive around here, check out these beaver dams. All right, so let's hop out right quick. Oh, it's growed up out here. Lord have mercy. Snakes, 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 snakes. If you're out here, if you're out here, if you're out here. Okay, look. Wow, you guys. Dry. Look at that. Not an ounce of water right there. Crazy. There's a little bit of water there. It is dry, you guys. And I know I'll be saying dry, like the water is like super low. But anyway, yeah, this is where we had dug out the beaver dam with the backhoe. Okay, that's enough. I mean, I would go through the woods, because y'all know it's a few that way, but no, not gonna do it. There is one up this way. I'll check and see what that one looked like. Let me see. I think it was about right here somewhere. Where was that? Oh yeah. Man, look at all this. Ooh, sticky briars and everything. Oh, look at there. A big old limb, out of that rotten tree right there, fell right there where the dam used to be. And there's no water here either, you guys. I tore this one out by hand. There was one here that I tore out by hand, but it's not been rebuilt. There's no water there. I mean, literally no water in this creek right here. Okay, I'm satisfied now. A little bit anyway. Like I said, there's some that way, but I'm not gonna walk through the weeds right now. All right, you guys. So I believe this is gonna be the last load on the grain cart for this corn harvest season, 2021. Oh, he turned that on like he not gonna go pick that over there at Edgar's. I don't know. Well, you guys, we're definitely through. He said that the morning glories over there that I sprayed, they're still tough. So I guess we can pretty much say, you guys, corn harvest season 2021 is a wrap. It is a wrap, you guys. He just dumped out the tiny bit that he knocked down out of the grain bin in there, and he's folded in the top there. So I guess we're gonna head on to the shop. And what a coincidence, we finished it in a field that had a beaver dam that I hadn't checked in months and months. Oh man, that is crazy. I forgot all about that thing. Well, you guys, as I unload for the last time, I guess I'm gonna get ready and wrap this video on up. Truly, I give thanks to God for a good corn harvest season. Y'all know earlier in the months of the corn's growth, it lacked a little bit of rain, but God sent some rain just in time. He knew what he was doing. You know, I think about how the Bible says to be not weary in well doing, for in due season you'll reap if you faint not. Well, I thank God that we didn't faint. We might have got a little worried, and I mean that happens in life. You know, you get worried when you get to looking at things, but no, you don't give up. Don't throw in the towel. That's right, I proclaim this word to you. Be encouraged in the Lord, because you too have a due season in life. It just so happens to be that we being farmers, we actually have a harvest that we can reap, a literal harvest. But there's a type of harvest that's definitely different from a corn harvest that you can reap in life if you keep the faith. So keep encouraged. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching on today. I guess after this video, I'll put together all of the corn harvest videos, and there'll be a full series that you can check out if you missed any of them. But I appreciate you all. Thanks for watching. You guys stay blessed. You guys keep encouraged. And as always, we'll see you in the next one. All right, Frank, we'll see you for soybean harvest.